Welcome guys to another video, and today we will be trying out Time Bomb Duels. My friend recommended this game, which is Lucha. My cousin also made a video about this, and Lucha will be teaching me how to play this game. I think not yet. He is in Discord right now, and he's gonna be teaching me how to play this game. And he says, give the bomb when the time is low. Okay, I guess. Oh, never mind. I died. Oh my god, I hate this game. Never mind. I suck. Silence. You what did, man? No! Okay, my friends. You need to. And you are not giving it to me. Sexy little lady. Yeah, yeah. Sexy little lady. Yeah, yeah. Bang! Bang! You die! Meanstone? Yes! Kinda cooking at this game. Free for all. No! I'm sorry for crashing out. And I'm sorry for delay. Oh, Lucha joined. Yes. Lucha, I will 1v1 you. Say yes in the chat if yes. Had or oh no. Easy cry. FFA. Free for all. What? This. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm recording right now. Oh my. I'm sorry, guys. Please don't report me on it. I think I have cancer. My arm is twitching on its own. I'm not joking. My arm is twitching. I'm not moving my finger, but my arm is twitching. I saw it in the YouTube video. I don't know if it's real. Okay, sorry. Okay, we joined Lucha. Okay, Lucha, say hi. Lucha, say hi in the chat. In the chat. Hi. By the way, guys, Lucha will teach me to play. Ito Vlogaban. Okay. Bang, till I take you. Never mind. I thought I would take him now. so big or greasy? Like a greasy screen. Like, okay. Oh, this guy is good. How long have you been playing this game? 5 days? Haha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Haha, hindi ka kasha. Nipolyo! Nipolyo! Ah, I'm stuck. Oh, I thought I passed it. Oh my days. It's alright, I clutched by 2 points. What? 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 The hell? Oh, I can climb that. Never mind, I died. Okay, this is my first time trying, and also don't insult me in the comments or whatsoever. What? Die, Lucho. Oh my days! I suck. GG's. You did not juke me. I died. Let's do this map. The green one. I have... No. You don't... Wait. Don't like that map. Chat broski. No. If she sees this video, I'm cooked. Ang snitcher naman to. Chismisa na chismisa. Be nice to me. I'm making videos. Okay, this guy's good. I don't believe that. Neither does the devil. Lucifer! I did something that will ruin this map. What are you doing? I put lava around the map, by the way. There's a button. Oh my god. Me. There was a button in the middle you had to press. Okay. Okay. Good game. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Please! Please! Yes! You saw! Then say it in the chat. Ha! Wait, what? There's more? The game gave you... It refused type a ah. The refuse... Ah! The refuse didn't last long. Ah! Haha, I'm noob, bro. You got demolished. Diba? You got demolished. Bro said, oh. Chinito. Bang, bang, Chinito game. Oh my freaking... The hell? What the hell are you typing? You're not gonna reach me, bro. Down. Down! Yeah, I suck. Damn. Lucho got the free point because I gave him. Yes! UG! Nab. Greasy iPhone. What? 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 Activate lava. You're cooked though. Look. The floor is lava now. I'm dead. Oh my god, was it bad? I whiffed at the first round by saying bang bang Geneva. Say it in the chat, say it in the chat. Okay. Sige na. Anak in. Okay, see ya. Okay. Hey, anyways, guys, check Philippine Idol and so on. Search. There. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Anyways, bye.